let's talk about getting in and out of your Escalade IQ. Of course, you put your hand inside, pull, and you can let go. It's going to open up. This is a feature that's on some level Escalades, and it'll open the door for you. Simply get in and put your foot on the brake. That will close the door automatically. No need to grab the door, it closes itself. Also, it'll bring you up this menu. If you want to open your door, you can pull that over to the right. It'll open your driver door or the rear passenger door for you. Not only will it open the door, you can close these doors by swinging it over to the left. And the same, slide over to the left. The same for the rear passenger. You can open up all the doors. You can lock, unlock, and of course open your door for your charging right there as well. So there's a lot of controls under doors, and that's in your control center there under doors and windows.